What's that?
Okay, so tip this off.
Just throw the end back over to me here.
Oh, step on this side, you missed it.
I'm going to throw it to you again and see if it'll go around. You can get it from behind, maybe. I hate to be out, the lower's kind of in the way. Pull the tractor, I think some of it.
The door freaking runs over it here.
Hmm?
The door freaking runs over it. Drop that one too.
Well, you could try it. You could move the loader, I guess, if the fork's just go move it up the hill some.
What's that?
Maybe you could just move the loader up the hill some.
Up the hill, right to the door there.
So,
I couldn't look for wire somewhere, but the lights so I don't know where it's at. Hey guys, welcome back to Mac Farms, and what I guess will be the first installment of our 1394 project. We just unbolted the top half of the cab and took that off. These tractors are like a convertible. They designed the top half of the cab to be easily removable in case you wanted to get into a low building or whatever. So that'll allow me to get it into my shop. So anyway, we just did that. Was nothing really much to it. Just a few bolts and 2 wires and off it comes. So Dad got that over in his garage. I think we're going to put the bottom half of the cab in his garage too when the time comes. He wants to tackle the cab restoration, it seems like, and I'm fine with that. So I'll handle the rest of it, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna take it up and power wash it, and then we're gonna put it in my little shop today here, and that'll probably be the only thing done to it in this episode, I guess. So yeah, here we go. Alright, got it cleaned up pretty good there. Pressure washed all the heavy stuff off anyway. I didn't want to put it in the shop too filthy dirty. So anyway, like I said, we got the top of the cab off already there, and pull the muffler off. That's no big deal. It's just sitting on there, and then we should have no trouble sliding it in my shop. And then comes the task of removing the engine. So I thought at first maybe the engine would just be able to come out of there, because there's a video online there of them assembling the David Browns at the factory, and they just have like a rolling chassis basically, and they just pop the engine down into it. But looking online there a little bit, I think that the best option is going to be to just split it and do it like normal, like a normal tractor. So that's the plan anyway. We'll build up some stands or something to bolt on with those loader brackets where to hold the tractor up, and we'll roll it ahead, and won't be much to it. Just to do it, I guess. Not much to it, just to do it. So anyway, lunchtime now. We'll get her in the shop after lunch and go from there. Well guys, we got her here in the shop. It really, let me see if I can get back here a bit. Really fills the place up. But anyway, that's the hard, well, that's the first part of it done. It's not the hard part, but the first part of it done. So I'm going to make some stands there to go down to the floor with casters on them or something, and then we'll probably crib up the back of it so that way we can unbolt everything and just slide the front end forward, or at least that's the plan anyway. We'll see how that goes. And yeah, for now though, we can start unbolting stuff off the engine and get her down to the bare block, basically take the radiator off, all that stuff. But that'll be in the next video. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more 1394 videos.